Hey guys, there's never been a better time to buy a drone. That's because drones are housing top-notch 4K cameras and sporting portable form factors. That is, many of the best drones these days fold up for easy transport, so you can take them wherever you are. Next adventure is headed. Super steady video stabilization is also a hallmark of the great drones, and you will find this available in just about every drone model out there. You don't have to be an expert drone operator to get started with a high quality drone. Most drones are easy to pick up and start flying, though selecting the best drone is still a difficult task. So in this video, I have brought you the best drones that is best suitable for beginners and pros. Let's start the video. Zero-Tech Toppy, a drone that's small enough to fit in your pocket. This is the smallest drone featured in this list and also one of the cheapest. Despite its humble status, the Toppy is surprisingly powerful and versatile piece of kit. Pitched by Zero-Tech as a selfie drone, it's small enough to fit in your bag, which gives it an advantage over many drones which are often too large to be carried around easily. This drone weighs around 199 gram and there is no controller. Camera resolution is 13 MP and battery size is 970 mAh with a range of 100 meters. This drone will only cost you around $20 to $25 and 1500 Indian rupees. Links are given in the description. You can buy from there. Buy this drone for its ultra portability, feature-rich mobile app, and the only disappointment is its battery life. Parrot Anafi, a tiny drone with incredible camera range. This lightweight, bug-like drone might be small, but its photography chops are among the most impressive around. Its camera has 180 degrees of vertical range, which enables it to take photos directly upwards, a feat no other drone can match. It also has a 2.8x zoomable lens with no image quality reduction. The Parrot Anafi is particularly good choice for selfie fans. The camera resolution of this drone is 21 MP and the battery size is huge, 2700 mAh. Buy this drone for its 4K Ultra HD video which records at 60 FPS and 180 degree vertical camera. The only disappointment with this drone is there is no obstacle avoidance system. Links are given in the description. You can buy from there. DJI Spark, a small price, smaller drone with JD-like gesture controls. The DJI Spark is the company's most approachable drone with its incredible cool gesture controls that make you feel like a JD and its different colored body shells. It's definitely more fun out of the box than a lot of other on this list. It's an incredibly light drone, unsurprisingly, as it's the size of a can. This is both one of its greatest strengths and its greatest weakness too, as it's super easy to carry around in your bag but will be affected by wind during flight. The weight of this drone is 300 gram. The controller is provided but not included. The camera resolution is 12 MP, battery size is 1480 mAh and the range is 1.2 miles. Buy this drone for its controller-free gesture controls and automatic quick shot modes. The only disappointment is short flight time. The Bebop 2 is a mid-range offering which won't break the bank yet offers a surprising amount of features for the price. The camera utilizes a fisheye lens and stabilization software to remove the need for a gimbal, combined with the intelligent construction of the chassis which uses rubber dampeners to reduce vibration in flight. This results in video footage that's refreshingly judder-free. If you are feeling especially flush, you can take the Bebop 2 to the next level by purchasing the optional flight controller. On the downside, Parrot has locked away some of the Bebop 2's more interesting features such as route planning, follow me functionality behind the paywall, which means the cost increases further if you want to use these. The battery life is also somewhat disappointing. This drone only weighs around 500 grams, the controller is optional, the camera resolution is 14 MP and the battery size is huge, 2700 mAh, and the range is around 300 meters. Buy this drone for its shake-free video recording and excellent controller and headset. The only disappointment is there are only certain functions provided and extra functions cost to unlock. DJI Maverick Pro, the king of drone, returns. The second iteration of DJI's Maverick Pro delivers the sharpest videos and stills of any consumer drone thanks to its gimbal stabilized Hasselblad camera, which boasts a 1-inch CMOS sensor. Pictures are brighter, more detailed, and noticeably superior to those taken using the previous model. DJI has made improvements on the software side too, with new modes of capturing photos and videos, including hyperlapse, which creates stunning aerial videos. This drone only weighs around 907 grams, controller is provided, camera resolution is 20 MP and battery size is huge 3850 mAh. The range is 3.1 miles. Buy this drone for its excellent foldable design, new photo and video modes and superior camera picture quality. The only disappointment is it cannot shoot 4K at 60 FPS. Links are given in the description, you can buy from there. So these are our best drones for beginners and pros. So if you feel some other drone which is best for beginners and pros, please comment in the comment section. Please share this video among your friends. Do subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.